Okay, Sounds of Decay 1 is Dead Heat. The EP is called Endless Torment. Go ahead.
Have you ever heard the term nardcore?
I have not.
Apparently, it's a subgenre of crossover thrash that resides in the town of Oxnard, California. Hence the nard.
Hence the Nard.
Fear the nard.
Quote the Nard. Nevermore.
This is comprised of bands like Rich Kids on LSD and Ill Repute. Well, the latest pearl to drop from this part of the world is the new EP from Oxnard's 5-piece Dead Heat, a moniker that's been slaving away with 2 full lengths and an arsenal of EPs and singles since forming in 2016.
Yeah, admittedly, this is my first exposure to Dead Heat, and I was instantly impressed by the band's mosh-friendly riffing, Mike Muir-informed vocals from the singer, his name's Chris Ramos, and just a few touches of wackiness thrown in for good measure. It's too heavy to call it pizza thrash. The opener, Endless Torment, skulks along in an impeccable groove that reminded me of Obituary. Same with Eyes of the Real, also in obit territory, albeit it steps into a thrash pace later in the song, and it sets up a downright majestic solo from the guitarist Justin Tom.
It's hard to deny the chops of the band in Closer, Hard Reset, kicking off with Fight Fire with Fire inspired intro of layered acoustics before roaring to life and eventually pulling out a shit ton of Exodus style crunch. Their summer 2023 tour is currently raging on with bands like Mind Force, The Exploited, and Total Conflict. So get this one and grab the swamp green heavy neon splatter vinyl. Who would not want this? Get it from Tank Crimes. Crush.
So this is Endless Torment.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.